Anyone besides me felt like your presentation in the world was different than your presentation at home alone in your bathrobe. I bought this bathrobe yesterday, and I'm wearing it for a reason. I'm learning to be more casual with myself and sometimes with other people. I know that it's not always appropriate to be casual in certain relationships or businesses and da da da. But there are times where we don't know how to take off our presentation, our formalness, both in relationships and in situations where we don't require it, where we can relax, where we can wear a bathrobe, where we could, go naked. I mean, there are situations where you're alone and you're afraid to be naked. So this is tapping for really being able to turn off the formal, rigid part of your personality and relax into bathrobe consciousness when you want to, when it's appropriate, or maybe even when it's a little inappropriate, according to your judgment. All right. So, tapping on the side of the hand. Thank you. So, even though I have trouble letting down my guard and being informal, even when it's perfectly fine, I deeply love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I get uptight when I don't really need to. And in consciousness, at least, I wear a three-piece suit of business attire when I could be in a bathrobe. I choose to deeply love and honor myself, whatever my attire is or isn't. So I'm hoping and intending that as you tap, you relax and put on your bathrobe in consciousness. But of course, the beginning of tapping is to acknowledge and validate the feelings that get in the way. So that's why we do the negative round first. So tapping this side of the eye near the eyebrow. I have a hard time letting go. It's scary for me to just let myself hang out without the presentation, without the formality, without the guardedness. And I'm willing to challenge the fear that's behind the scenes of my formal attire. I'm willing to get informal, sloppy, maybe even creative and artsy from time to time. I was taught to value my left brain, to come across a certain way to please people and to fit in. And sometimes, boy, that's appropriate, and I wouldn't change a thing. But there are times I wish I could let go of all of that. Maybe that's why people drink alcohol or do other substances to get into a state where they can just have some moments without that formality, without that fear. And I forgive myself for using that kind of stimulation to suppress my fear. I feel compassion growing inside myself because this was not my choice. This was programmed into me. The fear, the formality, the presentation skills I learned from the outside in to take care of myself in a dysfunctional world. And what I'm learning now is I don't need those skills so much. I can drop my guard, put on my bathrobe, not worry so much what other people are thinking of my bathrobe, or whatever the bathrobe is for you. Relaxing into bathrobe consciousness, relaxing into the serenity that comes with not trying to please, not being concerned about other people, just resting in myself, resting in peace. They say that you rest in peace after you die, but maybe it's possible to rest in peace while alive. And putting on my bathrobe consciousness is a part of that. And I put it on casual, comfortable me in body, mind, and spirit. Ah, that felt good. So don your best comfort clothes and call me in the morning if you want a session, because I'm here for you. Have a wonderful day.